Hello folks, the era of foldable smartphones is well into its 4th year, and one of the biggest disadvantages of the versions with a vertical hinge is the size of the whole device. This is likely going to change this summer because Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Fold 4 weighing just 254 grams. This information comes from Universe, a well-known leakster with detailed information about the Samsung ecosystem. They claim the upcoming Fold will be the lightest ever, compared to the previous generation Fold, which came in at about 271. This is a net decrease of 17 grams. While this does not seem like a major change, the Galaxy Fold has always been notorious for how clunky the device feels, especially when folded. The foldable's thickness coupled with its massive weight make the Fold one of the bulkiest smartphones out there. Therefore, the reduction in either thickness or weight that puts the Galaxy Fold 4 more in line with other big smartphones is welcome. Even if 17 grams do not seem like a big deal, they are bound to make a difference when the device is being handled for prolonged periods of time. Thus far, leaks have uncovered the supposed design changes, aspect ratio tweaks, crease improvements, and even the full technical specifications. Of course, all of the information above still falls into the realm of speculation and should be taken with a pinch of salt. Nevertheless, the rumors up to this point paint a very interesting picture of what we can expect from Samsung's next big foldable. Most leaks point towards significant refinements in a number of crucial areas. We are still some months away from the Galaxy Fold 4's official announcement, which is expected around August. Given that the device has already entered mass production, it is quite possible that most of what we know thus far holds true. Eventually, all will be revealed in time. And while the Fold 4 seems to be the star of the show, as it will be the device receiving the more significant updates, the Flip 4 is also in for some improvements. Leaked pictures of a protective case showcase a familiar yet refined design for the much anticipated foldable. The photo of the case was shared via Twitter. Based on the dimensions of the case, it is very much likely that the Flip 4 will be seeing a reduction in the size of its hinge mechanism. Improvements in the hinge department appear to be a major part of this generation of the Galaxy foldables. Previously, speculation regarding similar changes to the hinge of the Galaxy Fold 4 also surfaced. The hinge has long been one of the more problematic aspects of Samsung's foldables. While previously the emphasis was more on durability concern, now the main goal seems to be minimizing the added bulk that the hinge entails. This is no doubt a good thing for the Flip 4. A crucial selling point of the device is its exceptional portability, so making it even more compact is sure to further the smartphone's appeal. The new hinge will ensure that the screen crease on the Flip 4 is much shallower than on the Flip 3. Universe is saying that most people will be satisfied. The crease is a visual blemish typical of foldable phones. You get used to it pretty quickly, but there's something else. It forms due to the repeated folding and unfolding of the screen. A smaller crease may be an indication of less stress being put on the display, which will improve its longevity. However, the dimensions of the case also point to another, rather disappointing bit of information. The cover screen of the Galaxy Flip 4 will not be getting the size increase that many were hoping to see. At any rate, the Flip 4 is expected to retain the overall design of the outgoing Flip 3 with a 6.7-inch main screen, but in a thicker 7.2mm body compared to the Flip 3's 6.9mm. In addition, Flip 4 should debut with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset and a slightly larger 3500 mAh battery with the same 25-watt charging speeds. Guys, if you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe for new videos, and see you soon. Good luck to everyone.